got Copizzle saying, woo! We going to win the NFC East. And by the way, speaking of Copizzle, why are you scared of MK? Why are you scared of MK? He's gonna let you out, Pizzle. I know you're doing a live stream with License Plate Guy right now as we speak. Why are you afraid of Mitch?
I'm going into a stream right after this. I got him.
Why are you afraid of Mitch? You ain't man enough to go toe to toe with him. What the heck wrong with you?
He replied twice, and he said the same thing both times.
Exactly. The New York Giants is gonna win this division. Y'all believe it? Big G, David G. What the? MK, talk about it. Copizzle, the Giants. What's your thoughts about them? Are you worried about them? Get on Copizzle, please. Go.
So, as for Copizzle, I don't know. I tweet every single freaking day, 3 times a day. Nothing.
He is scared of you.
I just tweeted it as we're here.
I'm watching right now. License Plate Guy, and he don't even want to fight you?
He's dodging Eagles Uncensored as well. So it's just like funny as hell. I'm like, I can't take this guy seriously. I can't. After we got the Devontae Smith thing, he was holding the football like a baby. I made a reaction video to that. If you guys want to see it, I'll DM you the link. Like, if you guys actually want to...
I got to put...
Say Smith is there, like, I feel like you got to take... I feel like you got to... Like, if they don't take it, if the Giants don't take Smith, I think the Eagles will. Wait a minute, Eagles are on the clock! The are they doing? The just happened? Why did the Cowboys and Eagles just trade? Oh, fucking God. They're going to get Smith. They're going to get Smith here. The are you doing, Jerry? They have to, right? There's no, the Eagles were scared to death that the Giants were going to take Smith. Oh, my gosh. I can't. I just can't. No! I swear to and you got the Cowboys and Eagles pairing up, tag teaming against the Giants. We got Nick DeWitt corresponding here from LPG's party. What's up, Nick?
We are living out here, man.
Hey, what the are the Eagles going to do? What are the Eagles going to do?
They're taking Smith.
Well, that's not good.
I know it's not good. We're all mad.
What are they going to do? I hate this team. They're always with us. That's all they do is they with the Giants. They don't want us to make the playoffs. They just with us. Why can't they just leave us alone? Please don't be Devontae. Give the Giants a chance to get Devontae Smith. Give us a chance. Let us pass up on him. Don't take him from us. Here it is. Do something stupid. Don't do anything smart. Ah! Ah! No! God, I hate this fucking team. I was warming up to the idea of Devontae Smith, like, ooh, this is going to be great, a Heisman player, and he hits the fucking Eagles. Thanks to the fucking Cowboys. Ah! Them. You hear me? The Eagles.